With over 15 years of teaching management to undergrad students, IFIM is known in the industry and academia equally. We have been constantly ranked by India Today, Outlook iCare and GHRDC. We are accredited by NAC. Hello, this is Dr. Sumanjit Das, your BBA HOD. Talking on the ranking, this year GHRDC has ranked as number 1 pan-India and in South India. That was on the ranking. Now let me tell you about our classrooms. Our classrooms are made vibrant by experiential learning. It's just not about case studies. It's about taking my students to locations where they can meet industry people, visit factories, and we welcome them as well to take lectures with our students. While our professors engage in teaching them whatever is new in the industry. Speaking of the courses, we offer 6 major domains. To start with, it's marketing, finance, HR, analytics, retail, and supply chain. Apart from this, we also offer our students career tracks. Now the question is, what are career or learning tracks? Learning pathways or learning tracks get you industry ready. So we train our students in 3 major learning tracks. The first is into advertising and branding. The second is into analytics. Third is into risk management. Apart from this, we are very proud to say that this year, the highest salary that a BBA student has earned is 9.2 lakhs per annum, and the median salary was 4.8 lakhs. So what are you waiting for? Please join the journey of your corporate life with IFIM College, doing your BBA with us. Thank you.